Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I got some Subway my way. I have the steak and cheese. That's right, yeah. And I don't know what I have on here. I have olives, I think bell pepper, onions, all type of stuff. And I have some classic Lay's and some Mountain Dew. So before we get started, let's say prayer. Amen. Bless the hand that prepared the food. Mm. Okay. It's my first meal. So how are you today? I hope all is well. I don't want no mayo on my clothes. And that's all. Oh. Let's fix it up. This one's supposed to be in there. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. They fry these in 4 different oils. Didn't know that. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, it's hot. Here. I thought it was always I hurt my thumb yesterday opening up something. I got 1 day down and 4 more to go this week. Mm. Get out all the steak out the food. Two first step out. Nope. Full off my steak. Nope. So you can get any sub a foot long for $6.99. I don't know how long it lasts. And you only can order it through the app or from the website. Well, I got this steak and cheese. I was trying to figure out yesterday what was the difference between steak and cheese and Philly and cheese. But one of them had more cheese on it. I think the Philly. So I thank you guys for coming in and having lunch with me. This is good, like I knew that it would. So I will be catching you guys on the next one, and I finish eating this half, and I'm gonna put the other half up for later on, so I can have something for maybe around 5 o'clock. So on that note, I thank you for watching, and I will be catching you on the next one. Remember to be kind even though those around you might not be. Okay? Bye, guys.